guys, so as you can see, I have a ton of balloons and I want to get them reorganized. There are a ton here, so yeah, I just want to organize them and kind of make it look a lot neater because I also have some new supplies on the way, so I want to have everything perfectly in order so I can get to it a little bit easier and know exactly where everything is. All right, let's get started. And everything that I use, I will definitely link it down below. So if you like anything that you see in this video, definitely check out my link. So I'll try to start with the table, and I'm just going to organize the balloons into different piles according to color. I don't know about you guys, but I am the type that if I see something that looks cute or I think I may be able to use it later, I go ahead and get it even if I don't have anything specific planned. So that's how I ended up with so many balloons. And some are also leftovers from balloon columns that I've made. So it's a combination of many things. And sometimes I have extra balloons from garland kits that I purchased. So I make my own kits sometimes, and sometimes I purchase kits and add to them. Like I have like light blue and dark blue, and then I have like a hot pink and a soft pink and like a baby pink. I'm going to keep these closed, but I may separate them even further. I kind of want to just start and see how things go. I have a multicolor pack, then I just separate each color to the color that it matches best. And this does take a little bit of time, but once you start making a balloon arch, it's going to save you so much more time when it comes to that point. And I could just put them directly into the jars, but I'm not, for a couple of reasons. One, I kind of want to see all the balloons I have, and I want to also see if I want to combine colors. So depending on how many of the soft pink I have, I may combine with the hot pink. But if I have a ton of the soft pink, then of course I want to separate the hot pink. And also just to determine if I need more jars or not. Pretty rose gold balloons left over from a balloon column I made a while ago. As you can see, this can be added to another column. I can even create my own column with this rose gold, maybe the pearl white, and what other color, just depending on the theme, maybe even the solid gold. So you can just kind of play around with it. Alright, so I've separated all of my solid balloons. I do still have like heart-shaped balloons, smiley face balloons, polka dot balloons, and like this colorful fun confetti balloons that I still have. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to keep them together or separate them to mesh in with the specific color. But I want to go ahead and get these started since these are all solid colors and show you the next steps. This is what it's looking like so far. So many balloons, but I plan on purchasing so many more. So again, just want to have it all organized and color coordinated so that I can easily get to them. Once you get them all organized, now it's time to store them away. What I have are these adorable glass jars that I think are just so cute and precious. So I will add in the description box and also a pinned comment where you can purchase these adorable jars. But I have a taller size and I have a smaller size for when I have a lot of balloons, such as like white or rose gold. It will go into the larger jar, but the smaller balloons, maybe like for the lavender, I can place those in this smaller jar. But I love that there's so many different sizes, so definitely check out the link that I will have down below. but you can get these adorable little jars. And then the fun thing is you can put labels on the front. That's what I plan to do. Labels with what color is in the jar. They are glass, they are nice and sturdy, and I love the different sizes. There are so many more, so definitely check out the link below so you can get a bunch of jars and organize your balloons, your crafts, whatever you have. I'm going to definitely get more of these jars to organize all of my wreath supplies, again with my balloon supplies and with my sewing supplies. All right, let's get going. Alright, so I've gotten a couple of colors, the rose gold and the red, into my jars, and it looks so adorable. I can't wait to put the labels on the front, and I think it's just going to be so much easier and so much more organized. So I'm going to continue going with my other colors. I'm filling up the large jars first, and if I don't know, I may even go up to a larger jar size. I didn't realize I had so many balloons. But I thought this size was so cute and I didn't want it too large. So actually I may just stick with this one. But I can always change it up and switch it around and adjust it. That's the great thing about it. Looks so cute. Alright, so here are the pinks that I put into this jar, and I decided to put the soft pinks in a separate smaller jar. Alright, so these are the ones that I've gotten done so far. They look so cute and precious. I have the larger jars and also these smaller jars. So these are all green, but they're different colors and everything. So I'm just going to kind of separate those. I have some pearlized greens, I have hunter green, I have pale green, a little bit of everything. Then once I separate, I'm just going to place them in the jar. This is what they're looking like. So cute and precious. I think this is like the perfect size, but as I expand my balloon supply, I will probably go up to a larger size jar, but for now this is perfect for what I need. These are my basic colors, but I have more like decorative balloons, so I'm definitely going to purchase more jars so that I can put more of my craft items like balloon clips, balloon glue, tape, wire, string, whatever I need into those jars so they are easily accessible just like the balloons are. I'm going to get everything else into jars. I also have other crafts. I have wreath supplies that I want to organize and also sewing supplies. So I'm going to get everything organized and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. And everything that I use, I will definitely link it down below. So if you like anything that you see in this video, definitely check out my link. Alright, so we've gotten all of the balloons organized. Now it's time to organize our backdrops. Alright, let's go grab them.